Justin, this Midwest weather is really tough on doors and windows.
For sure. People have leaky, rotting, drafty windows, and they're just really inefficient, but we can help with that.
What makes Next different from all the rest?
Next Door and Window was started in 2002, and it's a family-owned, family-operated business. And from the beginning, earning trust with the homeowner was really critical from the very beginning. And we've had a chance to install over 200,000 windows, and every year over 50% of our business comes from repeat and referral. This year we are also recognized by the Better Business Bureau with the Torch Award for Marketplace Ethics for the trust that we've been able to build with our customers and the community.
So trust is what you built the foundation with, but you also need better products too, right?
Next has a unique product offering in our fiberglass window. It's 8 times stronger than the most common alternative, the vinyl window that's on the market. And there are benefits to that. The strength of the material allows it just to last a lot longer. Fiberglass is known to last potentially up to 50 years, and it doesn't expand and contract, so it stays really true and square in the opening, so it'll stay more energy efficient over time.
From a customer perspective, let's talk about the replacement process because it can be pretty painful. So how does Next make that process easier?
Well, it all starts with our design and energy experts, and they'll come out to the home to assess your window and door problems. And they're very knowledgeable and professional, and they're going to really tailor a solution for your particular home and your door and window problems. And at Next, you're going to get your very own project manager, and they handle all the details behind the scenes, but they're going to provide regular progress updates for you throughout the project. And all of our installers are certified window and door replacement experts. And many jobs can be completed in just one day, and they're going to leave your home spotless.
Tell me, when customers think of Next, what is it that you want them to think of?
I think most people would say trust is the most important. Dealing with a company where they don't have to worry. And certainly you don't ever want to have to do it twice. You want a company that you know is going to stand behind the work no matter what. And if there's a problem now or there's a problem 10 years from now, if you can call the company and they come out and take care of it, that's what everybody should be looking for.